I'm not helping you out.
Wait, I feel like I might fit it. Oh! Ow! Kirby!
Hang on.
Come on. Ah! Get me out, Kirby!
Nope.
It's
busting.
Kirby, push me over. Kirby, it hurts.
Okay. Here, can I kick you
Kirby,
over?
push me over. Hard.
I can't. Oh shit. Story's gonna be mad.
Oh!
Are you okay? Are you okay? I'm sorry.
Oh my God.
I'm sorry. Are you okay? I'm sorry. Did you hit your head?
No, I hit my feet.
I thought you hit your head. I thought you hit your head on that. I'm so glad you didn't hear it because I was about to feel really
I was
bad.
fixing to bust out of this joint.
Are you gonna dive in it? Oh shit. Oh.
I don't know if I can.
Oh my god.
I think I got carpet bird on my johnny.
Hey.
Hi. I think I got carpet bird on my vagina. Oh, that was a bad idea.
You look like Jack. You know Jack, the movie Jack. That big ass man in the little cardboard box.
Oh, hey, Sarah, you look like a big ass man.
Retarded man at that.
There's so many things. Oh God. There's so many things you can do with this box.
Yeah.
Yeah, just if you think about all the things you can do, you can put a smaller box in there. That's J Nudies.
Tweet, tweet.
Makes it faster and easier.
You can make